Welcome back. Now, across the Caribbean this evening, we are continuing to be under the influence of high pressure, especially across central and western portions of the basin. There are scattered low clouds across the open waters, but we're not seeing significant shower or thunderstorm activity. However, we do have that convergence across the land masses. We do also have afternoon convection across sections of Jamaica, Hispaniola, and also across Puerto Rico. The forecast for tonight has generally fair skies across most of the island. We're expecting the temperatures in Kingston to drop to 25 Celsius, also to Montego Bay. We're also expecting winds across both coasts to average about 5 knots. Now in the morning tomorrow, expect generally sunny conditions across most of the area, while for the afternoon, those showers again return, especially across inland areas and western parishes. Temperatures reach 33 degrees Celsius in Kingston and 32 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay. Now, our breakdown has partly cloudy conditions across most of the area tomorrow, especially the southeast. We're looking for partly cloudy conditions in Morant Bay, also in Mapin and Mandeville. Expect partly cloudy to mostly cloudy conditions for Santa Cruz, Black River, Savannah, Lamar, and the Grill. Also for Lucy, with some isolated showers likely in Falmouth, and mostly cloudy conditions in Montego Bay. It's partly cloudy also in St. Anne's Bay, Ocho and Port Maria, but isolated showers and thunderstorms are possible if you're in Brownstown, in Port Antonio, or in Duncan's Trelawney. Now, the next few days, these isolated showers continue in the afternoons Friday, also on Saturday, with isolated thunderstorms likely on Sunday. Now for the marine forecast, the winds are east-northeasterly at 10 to 15 knots on the north coast tomorrow. The wave heights are between 1 and 1.5 meters. On the south coast, the winds are east-northeasterly, averaging 15 knots with wave heights about 1.5 meters. And then for offshore areas, weaker winds are at 10 knots, wave heights reach 1 meter out of the east-northeast. And then we're expecting this to continue into the weekend. That's east-northeasterly is averaging 10 knots Friday, Saturday, also on Sunday. Sunset in Kingston tomorrow, 24 past 6 and 30 past 6. That's half past 6 in the Grill. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. But we thank you so much for watching.